Hello everyone, this is David Nguyen from Eyebrows Academy. In this video, I will show you how to find point number 3. As you can see right here, I have drawn a brows here. As you can see, point 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 around here, but I just omitted. And then here's number 6, okay? So the issue is after you finish one brow and then you try to copy to the next, right? And the most difficult part is finding point number 3 over here, okay? Point number 3, where is it? On this side, right? Where's point number 3? And also point number 2, that's very difficult to find because you have to balance it. But anyway, suppose that you have worked on the left side, right? And then you map out this brow and then the client approve, right? She say, okay, it's good, looks good, approve. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, all of these map out and then drew perfectly. And now you have to copy over here. So point 1 you copy over is easy, 4 is easy, just horizontally across. And point number 2, if you have a ruler with the watermark, just like in construction, they use the water, the bubble in water to balance. So suppose that in this video, let's suppose that you perfectly carry point number 2 across from here to here, okay? You carry point number 2 over here. So now the difficulty is find number 3, right? Because you drew 3 here, how could you find this one? And I have seen some people, they make ruler and then the ruler has a scale. Yeah, they have a scale dropping down here, and that's one way to do it, okay? You suppose that this line right here, you just walk down, you move down here, and then you try to mark number 3. But there's another easier way to find number 3. As you can see right here, I have line A, B, right? And then have C and D. So these 4 lines, they are parallel, yeah, perfectly parallel, right? So line A, B, C, D, yeah, all of these lines right here, they are parallel, right? Okay, they parallel, okay? This is mathematically, I just try to show you very simple mathematical fact. So suppose that A, B, C, D, all of these 4 lines, they are parallel. And the distance from here, from A to B, we say is like the distance is M. And then the distance from C to D is also M. Okay? So as you can see, the distance from A to B is the same as the distance from C to D. And all of these lines are parallel. So now from point 2, if you draw a line, if you draw a straight line, right? If you draw a straight line, right? If you use a ruler and you draw a straight line, okay? If you draw a straight line from 2 to 3, right? So I'm going to just do like this with one hand. So you draw this line right here, and suppose that the distance right here is M. The distance is M, right? And suppose that you horizontally you go across here and then you mark here. So all of these points here, they are on the same line. You see the dashed line right here? So I carry this point over here to over here. I carry it across here. Alright. So my question to you is, suppose that from 2, we go down here with the distance N and we're touching the line D. Right? So if I just, use the ruler, I copy the distance N from here, right? And I go from here, and I mark on this line right here. So here I found it right there. Let's say this distance right here is also N. The question is, it is the perfectly point number 3 on this side, and the answer is yes. These 2 lines right here, they must be on the same straight line. Why is that? Because this trapezoid right here, this line and this line, they are perfectly parallel. The distance from here to here is also N. Okay, so this point right here and that point right here must be on the same line, and this apply to our problem over here. So if we carry point 1 over here, point 4 over here, and then we carry number 2 over here across, right? So if you measure the distance from 2, the straight line from 2 to 3, and this is the distant end, you just go over here, and then you just make sure that the distant end here lands somewhere on this vertical line right here, and that's our number 3 right there. And as you can see, this line right here is like D, okay, and this line right here is our C, and over here I just mark this one right here is A, and this one right here is B. Okay, so that's the thing. So in when you work, you just try to make sure you draw this line for this brown first, and draw a vertical line from point 2 down vertically, and then you draw another vertical line, and then make sure this is your number 3, right? When you got this side done, you go over here, you draw the same thing here, vertical line, this is like C, and another vertical line, that's like D, and make sure that the distance from here to here, from C to D, is the same as from A to B. Okay, as long as the distance from A to B is the same as the distance from C to D, when you go over here, make sure that the distant end you carry over here, you drop down here, and this distant ends right here, when it touch the line D, that is your perfect number 3. Okay, so as you can see right here, I just prove it to you, and actually this one is the tail. Okay, this is the tail of the Browns, and over here is also the tail of the Browns. Okay, well, thank you for watching this video. I hope this makes sense. Okay, I just show you how to how to mark point number 3. Okay, just using some simple parallel lines. Okay, simple parallel lines. Okay, well, thank you for watching. This is David Nguyen from Eyebrows Academy. Thank you and goodbye.